Jack Hermanson is set to go down against Gregory Rodriguez. Now, this one is looking pretty entertaining. Jack Hermanson outlasted Joe Pfeiffer, which was kind of surprising to me. He was better than Chris Curtis, lost to Roman Dolidze. He's got great ground control, and against Gregory Rodriguez, this should be advantage. Gregory Rodriguez is 6'3", 75 inches of reach. He's very big for that weight class, unlike Jack Hermanson, who is 6'1", with a great reach, but Hermanson's grappling advantage is very, very huge. And Rodriguez destroyed Dennis Tillulin, Brett Tavares, Christian Leroy Duncan, lost to Jared Cannonier. It was a surprising loss, and lost to Bruno Ferreira. But with Hermanson, I believe it goes into deep waters. I believe over 2.5 sounds like a good call. Somehow I have a feeling Hermanson gets the job done via decision, but we'll see.